Why, hello there from Los Angeles, California, in an area of town called Commerce City. You see back here, it says NicoNat. Coincidentally, my travels coincided with the Retail Design Institute, RDI, event here in Southern California this week. We're going to do a factory tour. NicoNat, Vincent has opened the doors here. Let's jump inside, take a peek. They do everything in-house, under one roof. Metal, glass, wood, every type of design, creative, fixture, millwork, so forth. Let's jump inside NicoNat, take a look at this facility. It's phenomenal. Retail Nomad, Commerce City, California.
The Retail Nomad, traveling the globe, sharing what the retail environment is like, hidden corners of the world.
And kickstarting today's amazing tour, we have Virginia Maggiore, Vice President of RDI, Retail Design Institute, along with Michael Hale, and then explaining how the tour would flow, a lunch, and then a back of the house tour itself. Let's go. And here we have Vincent, the owner, founder of NicoNat, walking us through the day's events of the tour and the RDI event itself. Starting with an amazing lunch that they had catered in for all of us. What I understand is there's over 50 attendees here from the Southwest chapter of RDI. And it was great to mix and mingle with some familiar faces, as well as meet and say hello to quite a few new folks. And here we dance past the engineering team as we rocketed out to the back, the shop itself, and this beautiful, clean environment that you're going to see back here. But what I was intrigued with is, if you've never attended an RDI event, it's a combination of designers, the creatives, the brands themselves. It was great to say hello to Mimi, and it was great to see James from Little, as I hadn't seen him since Germany at Euroshop many years ago. So great to put some faces with some names. And one element that I was very intrigued with is the newness of the machinery here. Take note that most of the machinery is only a few years old, very rare in a shop in today's world. Here I was very impressed with this machine operator with this CNC machinery. Literally cutting these parts out in less than a minute. Phenomenal. And here we rolled over to the polish grinding department, as it's truly overwhelming what it takes to make these finished products look awesome. See overhead, you got the ventilation system up top with the air duct. You got the protective coating and wrapping on the stainless steel. You've got the pneumatic air tools that they use for the grinding and polishing. And here we checked out the welding department. They got the CNC unit there on the right. And here on the left, you got the manual operation, connecting all the various parts and pieces to make these items and displays and fixtures look good. And here we had Vincent describing the metal shop, as it's such a vital role in displays, fixtures, and so forth, from support, the engineering elements, and everything. So he did a fantastic job describing the various machinery in here that you're looking at. And here I thought it was pretty cool to be able to show you how they actually go about forming and rolling metal into various shapes and cutouts and various forms. Just picture a high-end luxury department, Chanel, Christian Dior, or so forth. You see this flat piece of metal quickly become literally a near circle. So you get to see the components on how they bend, shape, and form these metal components. Here what we're able to witness is actually a press brake, being able to create the formation of a bend or a 90-degree angle that we see all the time in a store. Here we dance back to the millwork shop, as it's truly phenomenal to think that NicoNat does everything from design, engineering, manufacturing, to finish all under one roof. Here you get to see how the CNC programming can utilize every inch of the wood that's possible, making it as sustainable as can be. And here we jetted back to the paint and finish department. You see this example here they had just completed. Smooth, no bubble, absolutely perfect application. And here I danced into the back of the finish area, and you see the paint booths, and this is absolutely stellar that they have this in-house all under one roof, giving them entire control start to finish on their projects. And here I poked my head out back to find a whole fleet of NicoNat vans for all their Southern California needs. And here I wanted to highlight a recent addition, being a beautiful photo booth for new product photo shots. A big shout out to RDI Southwest Chapter, as well as NicoNat, led by the rock star Vincent himself. As here we are signing off, saying goodbye to everyone that we met at today's tour and factory event. NicoNat, City of Commerce, California.
Stay tuned to the Retail Nomad, as each week we'll be profiling different types of shopping experiences around the world. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.